Lip tint?
Oh.
Just gonna put a little bit.
Okay, Mom.
You look pretty. Come on, let's go now.
Okay. Hi guys, me and Mommy in the car, and we're going to the mall, and then we're just gonna buy some movie stuff for Tyler because it's his birthday party. It's his only birthday party.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy stuff too.
Yeah. We're just gonna buy some movie stuff.
Thank you so much. What do you got?
I also want this one and this one too.
Okay.
Nagutom na ako eh. Nagutom na. Nagutom na po ako, Mami. Nagutom na ako, Mami. Nagutom na.
Ending, sarado pa yung mall.
Yung ano, pang toy store.
It's still closed. So we're just gonna grab some snacks bago tayo mag-bike. They're opening the stores na.
Yeah. So we can buy. I'm so happy because they wanna open the lights.
It's here.
Mom, I also want the cake pop.
Sige.
Ooh, I also got this. I already got my own.
What's yours?
I got
So,
the lips. I get the lips and the heart.
Those are cake
Pops.
pops. You wanna try the chocolate cake?
Yeah, that one first.
Oh. It's a lava cake.
You can also eat this one.
Mm.
Yay, we got 2 spoons to eat. It's also so yummy. That's in the mouth.
Oh,
Can't eat it.
dirty. It's fine.
Like, Mom, I want to also. You have to also yourself. Pero hindi pa siya matapos.
We need to finish this na kasi the store is open na. So we can buy the toy.
Okay. Oh no! So funny.
Ang messy mo mag-eat, anak. Buti na lang may dalang wipe si Mommy. You got a chocolate mustache.
Like a bear.
Yeah, you also got a chocolate beard and a mustache. Wait lang.
Mommy, look, I want
Wait
it.
lang, kailangan ni Mommy ng wipes.
Mom, look at this. Oh,
Do not play with the eyes, please.
Mom, look, there's a ring. The ring eyes. Ding.
Drink lots of water, ha?
Yeah.
So Happy got the purple heart cake pop and the lip cake pop.
But Mom, I'm just gonna hold the heart
Okay.
because you have to put that in there because it's not gonna be enough.
Let's go.
Right here.
Where what?
Right here.
Wait. Ano ba hanapin mo? You need to find the
A bluey.
bluey. Ask ate. Ate, where's the bluey po?
That's blue. And Mom, can you?
Oh, there's bluey, oh. Oh, that one. I'll pick mo na. How do I play?
I need a card.
What? A card?
Yeah, so I can put this on the card. So hindi pa ako mahirapan mag-get ng toys para sa akin tsaka sa baby brother ko. Sa,
Sige.
Kasi kaya buntis ka mo, Mom.
Ah, buntis ako.
Yeah.
Okay.
My baby brother is on your tummy.
Oh, baby brother ba yun?
Yes. Fine.
Wait lang, yung regalo muna. Mamaya na yung sayo. Let's go to the boys section. Come on.
Wait, I go like this, like a moonwalk.
Moonwalk?
Can I find my slime? So I can't find my slime last kanina. So I think we have to get so many toys. I already picked my toys.
Okay. You're done picking your toy?
Yeah, because I already picked the princess puzzle and a slime Play-Doh.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. I like the new paint.
You like the new paint?
Yeah.
We need to go home na tumatawag na si Daddy Labog.
Pagod tayo, Mom. Pagod. Pagod tayo, Mommy. Pagod.
move your hands. You're not gonna get lost. You're not. Oh. And open what?
The cake pop. So yummy.
We're gonna go home. We could go home now.
Okay, Moms, para mag-unboxing na tayo.
And also we need to prepare for Tyler's birthday.
Yeah. And we can also eat that we buy, the cake. So I'm also gonna show you. The heart one, the purple one. And the lips one, it's for me because that's pink. Because the purple's one turns because that's your favorite color, you know. So we're gonna have it. Yeah. I'm sorry if I'm being mean to you, if I don't want to share the green slime to you and Mommy on this house. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's fine. It's okay.
Yeah. I forgive you.
So, just ano lang, next time. Learn how to share.
Okay, Mom. I know how to share now for you. So I'm also gonna share you my Play-Doh slime.
Okay.
You see, I'm sharing na you. Hello? Ito lang po daluin namin doon sa taas. Okay, Mom. Mommy, I have so much fun. Mom, can you stay here?
Oo, lunch ka na muna. Sabi mo kanina hungry ka eh.
And Mom, can you please just stay in here?
Of course, okay. Hi, baby! Babae ko, baba. Go kay mama. Hi! Love mama? You wanna love mama? Ay, ka love mo si mama? Bakit ka kay mama? Ay, wait lang. Ali ka na, wait lang. Ito na. Ay, Diyos ko po. Ay, Diyos ko po. Kakagising lang ni Dodong. Kakagising lang ng baby ko. Kakagising lang. Love mama. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Nose. Nap time. At dahil tulog na yung anak kong Disney princess, magliligo na ako. And I will be using Pure Glow Babe Beauty White Soap. Actually, pang ilang pack ko na to. At dahil naglipatan, hindi ko na mahanap yung nabuksan ko na. Kaya magbubukas na naman ako. Sobrang gusto ko to guys kasi nakaka-whiten siya ng skin and micro-peeling lang siya. Hindi siya sobrang bitak-bitak sa balat. Kaya hindi ako super dry. Ang bilis mag-lighten up sa mga dark areas ko, kilikili, singit, ayan. Mas na-maintain niya na hindi siya sobrang umitim. Unlike kapag ka-regular soap yung gamit ko. Lalo na ngayong buntis ako. And isa pa sa gusto ko dito guys is pwede siya sa buntis. So yeah, maligo na muna tayo. Ayoko masyadong mag-hard makeup ngayon. Very natural lang. And I'm gonna use G21 Lash Blush in the shade Please. Very baby pink lang to, guys. Natatakot akong gamitin to. Pero feeling ko, a little goes a long way. Ayoko nga. Very baby girl lang. Na para may lagay ko ba ding ang powerful ng pigment niya. Pero easy to blend naman siya. New favorite unlock! Ang lambot niya sa face. And maglalagay lang ako ng pimple patch. Kasi nga, ayoko na sobrang mag-makeup. Napapagod na ako mag-makeup. Like, alam ko naman, gets ko naman pangit yung skin ko ngayon. Pero pakiramdam ko pag the more na may makeup ako like foundation na heavy, mas nagbe-breakout lang ako. Kaya hanggang blush lang muna. Okay na to. Ayoko na mag-makeup. Kauuwi ko lang from second event. Dahil hindi na ako nakapag-video sa unang pinunta namin, which is birthday. Birthday ng friend ni Happy. And then, second event of the day naman is yung Fab Finds. And, hindi na nakapag-video ang akla kasi na busy na.
DJI daw.